Welcome back to Maths Pro Manual. On this one, let's give a solution to this problem we are having on the board. Please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And if this is your first time coming across to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Now, first step to take is to square both sides of the equation. So square both sides. You have it to this square root of 1 plus root 1 plus x all square will be equal to x raised to the power of 1 over 3 all square. This is the same thing as this. Cube root of x is the same thing as x raised to the power of 1 over 3. So now square can cancel square roots. I'll be left with 1 plus square root of 1 plus x will be equal to x raised to the power of 2 over 3. Because according to the law of indices, the power can multiply the power, and here will be 2 all over 3. Now from here I can decide to move 1 to this other side of the equation. That means subtracting 1 from both sides, and here will be square root of 1 plus x will be equal to x raised to the power of 2 over 3 minus 1. I can also decide to square both sides of the equation again, and I'll have square both sides. And I have it to be square root of 1 plus x all square to be equal to x raised to the power of 2 over 3 minus 1 all square. Now square can also cancel square root, and I'll be left with 1 plus x equal to, now in squaring this, please pay attention. Here I'll have it to be x raised to the power of 2 over 3 all square minus 2 into x raised to the power of 2 over 3 plus 1. That's the result you get by squaring this. And now here will be 1 plus x minus x raised to the power of 2 over 3 all square minus 2 into x raised to the power of 2 over 3 plus 1. Now I can decide to move 1 to this other side of the equation. That means subtracting 1 from both sides, and x will be equal to x all raised to the power of 2 over 3 all square minus 2 into x raised to the power of 2 over 3. 1 can cancel 1. You already have. Next step, divide both sides by x. So I'll divide both sides by x. So doing that, I have it to be x all over x is equal to x all raised to the power of 2 over 3 all square all over x minus 2 into x raised to the power of 2 over 3 all over x. And now x divided by x is 1. So you have it to be 1 equal to x raised to the power of 4 over 3. That's another law of indices. 2 times 2 is 4 all over 3 divided by x minus 2 into x raised to the power of 2 over 3 all over x. And now 1 is equal to, now in division of indices, the powers will be subtracted when you are dividing. So x will be raised to the power of 4 over 3 minus 1, because there is an invisible 1 on that x. Do the same thing here. Here will be 2 into x raised to the power of 2 over 3 minus 1, because there is also an invisible 1 on the x. Now let's simplify this fraction, and 1 will be equal to x raised to the power of 4 minus 3 all over 3, and 2 into x raised to the power of 2 minus 3 all over 3. Now we have it to be x equal to x all raised to the power of 1 over 3 minus 2 into x raised to the power minus 1 over 3. And now 1 will be equal to x raised to the power of 1 over 3 minus 2 all over x raised to the power of 1 over 3. Because of this minus, it's 1 all over x raised to the power of 1 over 3. So now I can say let x raised to the power of 1 over 3 be a. Now doing that, we have it to be 1 is equal to a minus 2 all over a. And now the LCM is a. So I'll multiply everything by a. So we have it to be 1 times a is equal to a times a minus 2 by a times a. And 1 times a is a times a is a square, and a can cancel away 2. Rearranging this, a square minus a minus 2 will be equal to 0. Now I can try also to solve this using any method of quadratic equation. Using any method of solving this, you have a to be 2 or minus 1. Go and watch my previous video, you see how to solve it. So let's go about giving the direct answer. A will be equal to 2 or minus 1. Now let's substitute the values of a to this. So you recall that x raised to the power of 1 over 3 is equal to a. So when x is equal to when a is equal to 2, x raised to the power of 1 over 3 will be 2. And you take the cube of both sides. I have it to be x raised to the power of 1 over 3 all raised to the power of 3 is equal to 2 all raised to the power of 3, and this will cancel this. So x will be equal to 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. And when a is equal to minus 1, we substitute x raised to the power of 1 over 3 will be minus 1. We also take the cube of both sides, and this will also cancel this. And x will be equal to minus 1, because minus 1 all raised to the power of 3 is minus 1. So finally, the solution is x is equal to 8 or minus 1. And this gives the final answer to this equation we have on the board. If you substitute these values into the equation, you discover that the right hand side is equal to the left hand side. If you hope you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Bye.